Hey guys, so here's the Banvill 36-inch bronze line industrial ceiling fan installed in the garage of my house. I just turned it off like a while ago, so it's still spinning down. It's on a 3-speed control, and I'll go ahead and turn it on here. It's very dirty. Actually, you can see the logo on the lower canopy. So there it is on low. .36 a bit small for a garage of this size, but it works. That's, I guess, what my stepdad chose. We'll switch it to medium now. Speed switch is a Cooper wiring switch. It's blowing a bit of air, I can feel it. It's also wobbling a tiny bit. If you can see that. You can definitely hear it. And finally, here's high. So this is where it pushes out a lot of air. I don't know if you can feel it from it being way up there, but it works. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later with the next video. Bye.